Hello friends, welcome to my channel with a new healthy recipe licorice root tea. This licorice root tea relieves an upset stomach and sore throat. The anti-inflammatory properties of this root helps to soothe the pain in the gut. It also reduces the stress and relieves from cold and flu. Before I begin my video, would like to surrender my deep gratitude to my Guru, Bhagavan, His Divine Holiness Nityananda Paramashivam, who is the embodiment of Paramashiva himself. Very simple recipe to prepare, very healthy tea also this one. Only 4 ingredients we have to use for this tea. Here I have taken licorice powder, only 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, just little lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of jaggery syrup. You can take either brown sugar or you can take jaggery powder, according to your taste you can add. Now I am taking 1.5 glass of water and allow the water to boil. Now you see the water is getting boiled. Add the licorice powder, or we say Adimadhuram powder, and mix well. Allow the water to boil for 5 minutes. The content should get little reduced. For example, if you are pouring 1.5 glass of water, it should become at least to 1 glass of water. Now you see the licorice powder is getting boiled. We will add the dry ginger powder and allow it to boil for some 2 more minutes. Actually in Tamil we say this as Adimadhuram powder, licorice powder. The word Madhuram means sweet. Adimadhuram means extremely sweet. And this we can take whenever we have cold, or mostly sometimes we feel so tired. Can we have some hot drinks? It's very advisable to have this because we feel as an energy booster too. Not only the adults, even the kids we can give, because it is completely sweet in taste, and obviously instead of giving the other energy drinks, we can give this as energy drinks. As it boils only, you will feel that smell of the licorice very nicely. Now we switch off the flame and filter it. Now we take a bowl and add the lemon juice. Mix well so that the lemon juice gets mixed. And we can add the jaggery syrup. Here I have the habit of always keeping a jaggery syrup stored in my refrigerator. So I use this. You can use brown sugar or even palm candy, whatever. If you feel you are diabetics, I don't want to add any sugar, without adding the jaggery or sugar only we can take, because already the licorice Adimadhuram itself is a sweet. We can transfer it into the serving cup. Now hot, healthy licorice tea is ready. Please everyone try this recipe, and I guarantee you, as you are drinking, you feel so energetic, and it helps to cure a cold. Mainly when you have cold or when you feel so tiredness, you can consume this tea. One of my suggestion is, please try to give this tea to your kids instead of giving the energy drinks. Even you can take it as an alternate for energy drinks. At least once a day you can give this to your kids. See the licorice tea using milk. 1 glass of milk, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of licorice powder, jaggery syrup as per our taste. Next, we take 1 teaspoon of tea powder and a pinch of cardamom powder. Now, I am taking 1.5 glass of water and allow the water to boil. Now, you see the water is getting boiled. Add the licorice powder, or we say Adimadhuram powder, and mix well. Allow the water to boil for 5 minutes. The content should get little reduced. For example, if you are pouring 1.5 glass of water, it should become at least to 1 glass of water. Now you see the licorice powder is getting boiled. We will add the dry ginger powder, cardamom powder, and tea powder. Allow it to boil nicely and mix well. You can feel the aroma nicely. The licorice powder, dry ginger powder, cardamom powder, everything, the aroma, as it boils only you will feel the beautiful smell. Now you can see it boils. Now we will add the milk. After adding the milk, allow it to boil for at least 3 minutes. Just mix all the ingredients along with the milk. Yes, now you see the milk is getting boiled. Keep it in the low flame. Allow it for 3 more minutes to just make sure that all the ingredients will get absorbed in the milk. So now you can see it is nicely getting boiled. Morning, whoever has the habit of taking tea and continuing their work, we always recommend this tea. So either based upon your time, you can choose either with milk or without milk. Now you can switch off the flame and filter the tea. Now take a cup. Now add jaggery syrup and using the filter, we will filter it. We have prepared the tea. After filtering, we will transfer it into a serving cup. We will serve it into a serving cup. Wow, nice aroma is coming out. Please everyone try this tea and give your valuable feedback. I assure you, you will have a very nice, tasty tea. Whoever is a tea addicted, please try this tea. It's my just a suggestion. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please everyone try this recipe and give your valuable comments. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you.